Hello, I'm Milad Kambari and welcome back to another tutorial on the 3D Box channel. Today, I'm going to show you a really useful trick in Corner Renderer. Imagine you have a kitchen or a room and you want to add a sink or a halogen light to the scene. Normally, you'd have to model a hole in the ceiling or in the cabinet, right? But look at this. You don't need to model anything at all. You just need to use the corner slicer. What's the corner slicer? How can we use the corner slicer? First of all, I open the material browser like this. Okay, I have to delete this, and this is our main model. Create a box that fit the shape where you want to slice, and so I want to slice like here. Okay, and next go to the material editor and search for corner slicer until okay, I bring it here and apply it to your slicer object here, and my slicer object this. Okay, apply to this. Like the box, for example, here the apply and the slicer object is for me is box, and if you want the slicer, don't cut the main model. It must be exclude like this. I excluded the main model. Don't forget about it. Okay. I think everything are ready. And back to my camera. Where is my box? My box is here. I have to increase height. Okay, now it's work. And when I move it, okay, it's perfect. It's work. But here something. When I move the main model like this, okay, as you can see, when I move the main object, the whole doesn't follow it. So what's the solution? For solution, it's so easy. Just link the slicer model, this, to main model. Okay, link it, and now select the main model and move it. So, oh, it's worked. You can use this technique for halogen light, kitchen sink, or anything where you need a clean slice without extra modeling. It was so easy, yes? That's it.